Hello all, in this video I walk through the module parameter on a digital output module, a Failsafe module from Siemens using TIA Portal V20. So for the parameters on the output module, on this device and network button here you open the network view, and in this particular case we will go to the device view by using the CPU, and then on the CPU I have a rack with 5 cards, 2 input cards and 3 output cards, and on this output card click anywhere on this yellow, the yellow color just signifies that it is an output module, a safe output module, a Failsafe output module, and with a double click you open the properties and the general tab, and in the general tab there ain't much, it's just a description, an article number, the firmware, and also update module description. I never looked at that. The identification and maintenance, this is just, I guess, something that you can put in manually in order to let anybody know when what is put in and whatever, plant designation, location identifier. This is all just for plant matters. And the module parameter itself, general, there ain't much either. It's just a comparison preset, and to be honest I don't even know what that means. But the important, and I will never change anything on here, and the important stuff starts actually here with the F parameter, where everything is being set. So for the first parameter, the destination address, this is an address that's been set by the module itself, and there is also a video on how to designate those addresses. The important thing on here is the behavior after the channel fault. And after a channel fault, usually you passivate at least the channel, if not the entire module. Let's see, I didn't mess with that. What is the the basic setting, the factory setting is passivate the channel. So the next parameter is how do you reintegrate? So if the module or the channel is passivated, it needs to be reintegrated again, and in this case it is manually, and I would leave it that way because there is the global, I have that here somewhere, the global right in this, the global acknowledge function block. With this one you reintegrate all the safety modules which are in the network. This will be also another video later on, and going back to the parameters. Here. And all that other stuff that doesn't get changed anyway, so that is just a matter of how the communication works, and there is no change. And here with this check mark you can check on whether you for each individual module there will be a data block created, and here in this check mark you can actually check on whether you want to assign that number manually or if it's assigned automatically. So in my case it's assigned automatically, and you can see the dB number This is also found in the project tree here under the system blocks and the step 7 safety, and then you get the FIO data, and here are all the data blocks for the individual modules. Okay, this is for the safety parameter for the general parameters, and then on the